Okay. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So I am the winner
My mommy.
of the competition. Contestant number 10. So I got the hot set. Oh, it is super heavy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be unboxing right now.
So me and mommy are going to unbox it.
Unbox it.
Unbox it.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
This is a piece. That one in here.
Oh. Let me go down.
That's tape.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my god! Number 10! Oh my god! My mommy is the winner! I can't believe this! I can't believe my mommy is the winner!
Oh, this is
Okay. Wow.
So let's see.
Let's see. What do we have? Yeah, that's heavy.
Okay. So we have 1, 2 pieces. Ooh, 3. Wow.
Wow.
4.
Mommy, look here. Look here.
There's so many pieces.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm super excited for my winnings. Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Yeah, there's the next one.
Thank you.
Look what you got. It's very nice. Look at me, Mommy.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.